For $525,000, you can get this amazing home in Niagara Falls. Come on, let's take a tour.